Hooking up the transformer. Place your Clarolux transformer onto the concrete where you wish for it to be placed. Once you have the transformer in the desired position, mark your drill holes. A magic marker works great. After you have marked your holes for the mounting screws, use a hammer drill with a 1/4-inch masonry bit. Now that you have drilled your holes, place the plastic screw taps into each hole. Ensure that they are flush with the concrete. The plastic taps must be securely fastened to the wall. Hang your transformer on the screw. Once you have hung your transformer on the wall, place your other screw into the other tap. Secure the screw to the wall, but do not tighten it completely. Place a level on top of the transformer to ensure that transformer is level. After leveling the transformer, secure your screws tightly to the wall. This will ensure that the transformer stays in place and does not move over time. Now that you have secured your transformer to the wall, you can now begin connecting your wires to the transformer. First thing you will need to do is strip your power wires back at least 1.5 inches. This ensures that you get a good connection and prevents arcing. If the wires are not stripped back more than 1.5 inches, the rubber wire coating can sometimes be inserted into the tap, causing the tap to arc or catch on fire. To prevent this, make sure that you strip your wires back to the proper length of 1.5 inches. After you have stripped your wires, place your wires into the proper taps according to your landscape lighting plan. When tightening the low voltage wires, make sure that the screw on the tap is tight. If the screws on the taps are not tight, this too can cause arcing. Achieving a proper connection is key when hooking up your transformer. Once you have connected your power wires to the desired taps, go to each hub and test the voltage to ensure that it is in the desired range of 11 to 12 volts. Use a voltage meter to test each connection point. After you have finalized your voltages at each hub, test your amp load to ensure you are below the maximum load. Also, test the amp load on the low voltage side of the transformer. The low voltage breakers are rated at 25 amps, but we recommend that you do not exceed 21 amps on each common tap. This will increase the longevity of your transformer and low voltage breakers. Now, it is time to connect your photocell. Strip your wires back about 1/2 inches and twist the wires tightly together. This helps ensure that you get a proper connection when connecting them to the terminal block. Once you have done this, remove the photocell loop. After removing the photocell loop, connect the white, black, and red wires of the photocell to the terminal block according to the diagram on the transformer. Make sure to test your photocell before finishing your installation to ensure it is connected properly.